Hello everyone, welcome to Be a Geek. So today in this video we are going to solve weather observation station 3 problem on HackerRank. So in this question we have a station table and the table has 5 fields: ID, city, state, latitude and longitude of the station. So here in the question we have to query the list of city names. So out of these 5 fields we only want the names of the cities that have even ID number. And then we want to exclude duplicates from the answer. So if there are multiple entries for a city, then we have to exclude them from the result. Okay, so let's write the query. So first in the select clause, so out of these 5 columns, we only want to select the city names. So here I select city, then from clause. So in from our table name is station. So we want to get our data from station table. So now select city from station. Now comes the where clause. So here the condition is that we only want the name of those cities that have even ID number. So to identify whether the ID is even or not, we are going to use the modulo operator here. So what is modulo operator? So modular operator, it is represented by this sign, and it gives the remainder when dividing one number by another. So if I am writing 10 modulo 2, then it returns me the value of the remainder that comes when I divide 10 by the 2. So if I divide 10 by 2, the remainder is 0. So the result of 10 modulo 2 is 0. If I divide 9 by 2, the remainder I get is 1, and that's what we get as an answer if I use modulo here. So 9 modulo 2 means what is the remainder we get by dividing 9 by 2. So the result is 1. So the modulo operator we mainly use to identify whether a number is divisible by some number or not. So here to if a number is even number, then it must be divisible by 2. Okay, so here in the where clause we have to add the condition that we have to get only those city names for which the ID is even. So if our ID is even, then its modulo by 2 must be equal to 0. So here I write ID modulo 2 equal to 0. So this is our condition in where clause. So here we are getting only the city name from station table where ID modulo 2 equal to 0 means ID is fully divisible by 2. Now here we also have to exclude the duplicates from the answer. So here we want city names, but we don't want to get the duplicates. So to remove the duplicates, we use distinct keyword in the select clause. So here I write distinct city. So this distinct, it will remove all the duplicates from the result. So if I run the code, okay, so sample test case has been passed, and here we get all the names of the city for which the ID is even. Now let's submit the code. So that's how we use distinct and modulo operator in our query. So distinct remove the duplicates, and modulo is used to validate whether a number is divisible by some other number or not. So here we have to get only those city names which have ID number as even. So to validate a number is even or not, we have used modulo by 2, and it must be equal to 0 means the number is fully divisible by 2. Okay, so that's it for today's question. I hope you understood the logic and approach clearly. You can copy the complete code from the link given in the description. So when you click the link, you will be redirected to our website from where you can directly copy the code and use it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.